hairdressers certainly play a big part in our lives, don't they? So it's so great to hear Sid showing some love for We Do. Now, guys, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to welcome the We Do advocate for positive change. I'm delighted to introduce Phoebe, who's sat right here, right now, who's not only smashed Netflix ratings as Daphne and Bridgerton, babes, all those ratings smashed out of the water. She's also committed to using her voice for positive change as well, and shedding light on causes that really mean a lot to her. So today we're going to talk about your role of We Do, which is really exciting, and also your career as well. And I am praying so hard for some Bridgerton season 2 spoilers. So, babe, hello, how are you? Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me. I'm happy to be in your beautiful garden.
Babes, I was up all night pruning my bushes, making sure my flowers were coming out in time.
Yeah,
you know how,
killed it.
You know how it is. So, babe, I mean, what you've achieved in the last couple of years is so, so incredible. And you've just jetted in here from a secret filming location, haven't you? Where's she come from?
She has been, if I can talk about myself in second person, in Serbia.
Okay, what have we been doing there?
Which was fun. I was shooting a movie called Fair Play.
Mm-hmm.
There's not much I can say about it other than it's sort of about a couple who both work at a hedge fund. One of them gets a promotion, and yeah, it's kind of a downward spiral from there.
It's a little bit bitter.
It gets a little, yeah, it does. It gets a little
bit
bitter.
dicey.
It